friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Agya Matya, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on 7th project of ESP32 Basic Starter Kit. Are you excited? So let's start. For this project we need ESP32 development board, L298 driver, DC motor, breadboard, jumper wires, battery holder and batteries. I have connected ESP32 with L298N motor, GPIO 14 with ENA, GPIO 27 with IN1, GPIO 26 with IN2, and GND with GND. Then I have connected battery to L298N motor, positive with switch input with L298N plus 12 volt terminal, and negative with L298N GND terminal. Then I have connected L298N motor to fan, out 1 with motor terminal 1, out 2 with motor terminal 2. Then I have remember that with L298N with GND and ESP32 with GND should be common. I have used a small capacitor to prevent ESP32 from spark. Now I am in Arduino IDE. I have already done coding, so I will give the code in description. So let's see the code. Here in line 3, just change your SSID name, and in line 4, just place your Wi-Fi password. Now I will show you the demonstration. Now I will upload the code. Now the code is successfully uploaded. Now let's move on to my mobile. Now I am in my mobile. So now I will go to Chrome browser. Now I will type 192.168.1.88. Now you can see this interface. So now I will control the fan speed. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.